Tehillim 33. Rejoice in Yahuwah, you righteous. Praise is fitting for the upright. Give thanks to Yahuwah with the lyre. Sing praises to him with the harp of 10 strings. Sing to him a new song. Play skillfully with a shout of joy. For the word of Yahuwah is right. All his work is done in faithfulness. He loves righteousness and justice. The earth is full of the chesed of Yahuwah. By Yahuwah's word the heavens were made, all their army by the Ruach of his mouth. He gathers the waters of the sea together as a heap. He lays up the deeps in storehouses. Let all the earth fear Yahuwah. Let all the inhabitants of the world stand in awe of him. For he spoke, and it was done. He commanded, and it stood firm. Yahuwah brings the counsel of the nations to nothing. He makes the thoughts of the peoples to be of no effect. The counsel of Yahuwah stands fast forever, the thoughts of his heart to all generations. Blessed is the nation whose Elohim is Yahuwah, the people whom he has chosen for his own inheritance. Yahuwah looks from heaven. He sees all the sons of men. From the place of his habitation he looks out on all the inhabitants of the earth, he who fashions all of their hearts, and he considers all of their works. There is no king saved by the multitude of an army. A mighty man is not delivered by great strength. A horse is a vain thing for safety, neither does he deliver any by his great power. Behold, Yahuwah's eye is on those who fear him, on those who hope in his chesed, to deliver their soul from death, to keep them alive in famine. Our soul has waited for Yahuwah. He is our help and our shield. For our heart rejoices in him, because we have trusted in his holy name. Let your chesed be on us, Yahuwah, since we have hoped in you.